Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 12 Light and Shadow. Through this chapter you will learn about material and light and shadow. Luminous objects. Luminous objects are objects that generate their own light. For example, sun, star and firefly etc. Sun, star and firefly are the sources of natural luminous objects. We have some man-made luminous objects also. For example, torch, candle and tube light etc. Non-luminous objects. Objects that cannot emit light energy by themselves are known as non-luminous objects. For example, pencil, box and book, etc. Materials and light. Different materials allow different amounts of light to pass through them. Material can be grouped based on the amount of light they allow to pass through them, like transparent materials, translucent materials, and opaque materials. Transparent materials, materials that allow all the light to pass through them, are called transparent materials. For example, clear glass, clean water, and some kind of plastic. Translucent materials, materials that allow some amounts of light to pass through them, are called translucent materials. For example, colored glass, dirty water, and a sheet of paper rubbed with oil. Opaque materials, materials that completely block light, are called opaque materials. For example, mud, wood, and mirror. Shadow, the dark spot formed by a translucent or an opaque object when it blocks light, is called shadow. Transparent objects do not form shadow as they do not block light. There are three things needed for a shadow to form. First, a source of light. Second, a translucent or an opaque object. And third, a surface on which the shadow can be formed. Features of a shadow. A shadow has the following features. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the light source. For example, if you are facing the light, your shadow will be formed behind your back. If your back is towards the light, your shadow will be formed in front of light. A shadow is black even when the object is of any color. A shadow shows only the shape or outline of the object, not the details. The size of a shadow depends on the distance between the object and the source of light. Here you can see in this picture. It is also depends on the distance between the object and the surface where it is formed. Shadows formed by the sun are long during early mornings and evenings and shortest at noon. Thank you and have a nice